my name is Whitney, and this instructional video explains how to add whole numbers to fractions with a trinomial denominator. And the example that we're going to be looking at is 4 plus the fraction 6x plus y divided by 9x plus 3y plus 2. The process to add these two quantities is to write them in a way that they're fractions with a common denominator. So since we have a whole number, it's kind of easier than it seems in that we've just got to write this whole number as a fraction with 9x plus 3y plus 2 in the denominator. So let's come over here and write our denominator. And the process, what we've got to do is actually multiply this 4 by a fraction that's equal to 1. So we need to write the same in the numerator. This doesn't change the quantity of our expression, it just writes it in a different form so that we can better add these two values. Now we can distribute this 4 to the numerator and then actually add and then collect like terms. So we have 4 times 9, which is 36x, plus 4 times 3, which is 12, and then 4 times 2, which is 8, divided by our denominator, adding 6x plus y, dividing by that same denominator. What we're going to do now, since we have the same two denominators, which are 9x plus 3y plus 2, and again 9x plus 3y plus 2, we can start collecting like terms. So we see that the left fraction has a 36x and the right fraction has a 6x, so we can add those together since now they're both over the same denominator. And we've got a 12y plus a y, so we can combine those as well. We'll see that our final answer will be 42x plus 13y plus 8 over 9x plus 3y plus 2. Now, if we had different combinations of terms, we may be able to factor out values, but since we have coefficients of different factors and different variables, we cannot factor anything out of this, and this is our final answer. So thanks for watching. This was an instructional video on how to add whole numbers to fractions with trinomials in the denominator.